Top 5 Google Drive alternatives for Linux use. So in 2026, if you want the top 5 Google Drive alternatives for your Linux use, then just watch this video. So on the top, or on number 1, we have Nextcloud, which is best overall open source plus Linux native. It's fully open source and self-hosted. It works perfectly on Linux and desktop plus server. It has file sync, sharing, calendar, even Office tools. You can control your own data completely. Why it's number 1? Because it has a total privacy plus powerful features. Next, on the second number, we have sync.com, which is best for privacy. It has zero knowledge encryption, which means even they can't see your files. It has a strong file sharing plus collaboration, and it works on Linux via web plus tools. It's best if you care about security over everything, and it's also known as one of the most secure alternatives. At number 3, we have pCloud, which is best for media and storage. It has a built-in music and video streaming, and it has lifetime storage plans. You can pay once. It also has optional encrypted folder. It's best for photos, videos, large files, and it's a great balance of features plus storage options. Next, we have Proton Drive, which is best for privacy ecosystem. From the makers of Proton Mail, Proton Drive has been made, and it has end-to-end encryption by default, and it's growing fast in 2026. It's best if you want a Google alternative ecosystem, and it's also popular for privacy-focused users. At last, we have Mega, which is best for free storage. It gives you up to 20 GB free storage. It has end-to-end encryption and has good Linux compatibility. It's best if you want free space plus security, and it's also known for generous free plan. So these were the top 5 Google Drive alternatives for your Linux use, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.